guys, I am Ekta Hinduja and today I'm going to take you with me in my son's bedroom. I've made a video on our bedroom, that's a master bedroom, which is a mustard and grey color, so do check that out. It's a very beautiful combination. We have made certain changes in the room that I'll show you in the next video. But today I'm going to be taking you with me along my son's bedroom, and I'm going to show you what all we've done to make it an easy access for toys. So starting with, this is our passage. That's our master bedroom, and this is the new wallpaper that we got from Marshall Wallpaper, and these are the little photos, knickknacks here and there that we've got it while in our travel. There's a lot more coming here, so we're just not wanting to put it just because we khali hai. We are waiting for it so that whatever we put makes sense. So this is majorly our travel wall. Then on this side is Ayan's picture. This was taken after he turned 1. This was shot in Hyderabad, and I've got a canvas and I love this picture, so that's that. As you come along here, this is his bedroom ka darwaza. This is a monkey bar, which you have already seen it in the rented house that we stayed when our house was getting some work done. So this is a monkey bar which can be used for anybody and everybody. It's a great gymnastic equipment. Secondly, this can be a great gifting option for any of your son or daughter's friends. This is the latest addition in Ayan's room. This is the punching bag which he wanted, and he is loving this one. So whenever he wants it, I just put it down and then he can do it, because Kunal and me are very tall, and for us to bend down every time we pass through his room was a task. And this that you see here is an entire Ayan written. I had got a query on this, but this was actually bought when we went for an exhibition in Hyderabad. That's where I picked it up, and Ayan that time was hardly just 4 months old. So we've now kept it here. Now I'm going to take you with me inside his room. So this is his bedroom. On this side, we used to have a cupboard out here on this side. But something happened, like there was beam work in that, and then we had to change the whole thing. So we are yet thinking what to do there. We just got it painted and we got everything that was required here. So if you have any suggestions what can be done here, please let me know in the comment section. I am planning to get him a study table, but study table ke upar I was thinking. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to know them. So as you enter his room, this is what you see. Right now I've kept just an empty space for him to play around. It's a big huge box where I had kept his cars, but now I've shifted him in a drawer. They just have an empty mat inside where Ayan just removes it and plays it. That's his scooter. On this side I've just kept his cricket bat and some posters out here. This also a very interesting thing in his room. And this is from my baby Babbles. To do and done. So the to do is say your prayers. If he's done, then he just has to put the magnet here. So these are the chores that he has to do throughout the day. And this was a custom made curtain for his room. It's a little heavy, but we all three love it when it's dark. It's pitch dark. We don't like any light when we sleep in the room. So wherever you see that's our hall, that's our bedrooms, it's always going to be a dark curtain, and we love it like that, so no changes in that. And this is Ayan's bean bag. You must have seen it in the video where it was birthday gift idea. So if you haven't checked that, please do so, because they have amazing gifting options. And I also left the number of the guy who's made this. So this was a birthday gift to Ayan, and it's sometimes he's just sitting here and we don't know what he's doing because he's so busy with doing something that I'm going to show you next. So this is a custom made shed that I made. We made it for Ayan. Reason being, we wanted him to have access to all the things right in front of him, especially books. So these are the educational books wherein you have phonics, cursive, all the reading material that I have to teach him, and I can sit with him and do it. And then these 3 sections out here are all the story books. He picks out one, and that's when he tells, this is the book you have to read for me tonight. And most of the times he just picks out these books, sits on the floor with his beanbag, and he's reading a book happily, which we are loving it. On this section is I've kept all his painting ka saman, from paints, sketch pens, crayons and all, because his friends come and they're all sitting down on the floor and they're coloring, so I kept this something accessible to them. Down I have some board games. I have some knick-knack toys that he never gets bored of. Out here I've kept a small transparent box which has got these very so-to things that he collects from different places. So this is the shelf that I keep reshuffling every single month, not always, because I feel I want him to use the toys that he's bought or he's been gifted or he's just just randomly picked out. So that's why I keep a box out here. Out here we've actually kept his entire school stationery, school supplies basically. So in bulk I've got him pencil, erasers from Crawford Market because I find now that he's going into his first standard and school supplies are a must. So all his writing books, chalks and everything is what I've kept here, which is what do you call, a pull-out box. These we have 2 of them and it fits really well in the shelf. So this has all his bags, his badminton rackets, the balls, everything has been kept inside this, because when he goes down to play all he has to do is just pick these up and go down. And these are around 5 years old. Ayan is 5.5 years old. So we bought when he was 6 months old because we wanted a space to keep his toys and we really love it. It's washable and nice. I tried to find a link of this one. I hope it's still available on FirstCry. So you can go ahead and buy that out here. Then on the top shelf is a Romeo Lab and he loves it too much, and this was the only place I felt fitted really well. This was gifted by my brother to him and he is obsessed about it. Then you come here, we've kept 2 open shelves. We actually wanted to make one layer here and another layer here, but what we felt was it could actually become like a step for him, and maybe you never know with children, we just had a fear that he would just jump off from there, so we didn't do that and we thought it was too much for his room to handle. So we've just kept these things open. So this is a hanging section. This is a door hanger जो दरवाजे के पीछे लगाते हैं. The reason I've kept it here is because Ayan loves dress up. Ayan loves doing a dress up. And the swords that I have his school bag here and other play items which he really loves it. And when you come this side where I had what do you call? So now we talk about the bed. The bed is custom made. Kunal and me are very tall and we wanted to keep a bed in his room so that when our parents or our friends, our family come and visit us, they also have a very good place to sleep. Sometimes we feel we could have kept a sofa cum bed, but frankly speaking usme neend achhi nahi aati and it becomes really uncomfortable. So we've kept a very sturdy bed here. And all the bed sheet that you see in our house is from IKEA. On this side we've made 2 drawers. One drawer is filled with soft toys. This is all soft toys that he has, and the second one is again games, which is again accessible to him when his friends come over. So these are the 2-3 things that he can access. So this shelf is a photo frame shelf from IKEA. I will leave a link of this in the description box. So these are all the favorite characters and he loves this in his room. If you have noticed the room color, we've kept 3 colors which are very common with the Marvel characters. One is blue, yellow and red. So the reason why we chose this color and we did not make it any white or any color, because most of the Marvel characters are of these categories, and that's the reason we chose this. His bed is also blue in color and the side table also, if you see, is also blue in color. And these are actually the button shaped knobs. This again is a side table where it has got 2 drawers. The first one I have kept all his guns, especially the Nerf guns, and everything is here, so whenever his friends come, now they know where is what. I like keeping things in a place where he knows kaun si cheez kahan par padi hai and that he does not have to hunt too much. Or if I've made any changes in the room, I definitely inform him about the same. So these are all the guns that he has. Then the second drawer, as I said, he loves dressing up. So these are all his costumes, from PJ Masks to the police dress and to the firefighter ones. He also has a Hulk, a Santa costume, which is inside the drawer right now. So as I said, the bed is divided into two parts. This side of the bed has a long drawer, which again has toys, and that side was the two. So this is a little difficult to open, and what I realized was isko bhi humko two parts mein bana dena chahiye tha. It would have been easy, but that's done now. I can't change anything about it. So this again opens up. It again has all the toys inside it, and it just gets closed. Now coming to the cupboard section, we wanted a cupboard where it looks uniform and one and not divided into two parts. So that's how we have gone with this one. Our room wardrobe, if you see the video, is also the same. It's in the longer version. I'm just going to show you how we've done the room and why we love it so much. The top shelf has his travel bags and other items that he uses on the regular basis. Not very often, but when he wants to go down to play with his skates, that I've kept up. These are his birthday shirts. Whenever he's going for a birthday party, I've kept some clothes out and I keep reshuffling them. If he's done with that, then I will keep it back and I'll take out a new one. Strangely, I don't know why there's a hockey stick here. That's his school uniform in this section. These two drawers have his clothes, and these are the drawers that we love. Reason being, it's easy to open to see what all is there inside, and then you can eventually push it out. So they have been divided into categories. The first one is all home clothes and pants, especially, where Ayan knows what to pick out, and he dresses himself up now, so I don't have to take out clothes, so he does it himself. Then this drawer has all his night dresses and all the outgoing clothes, and the last shelf has again clothes which are being gifted or bought for future, for his like when he's 6, 7, 8 years. Uska bhi maine la ke rakha hai, because sometimes I like a t-shirt and I'm like, oh, I wish he can wear it now, but he is a growing child, so I always feel, you know, कि उसके कपड़े होने ज़रूरी है. So yes, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of Ayan's bedroom. If there's any link that you wish to know, please let me know in the comment section. I will put in the links, as many links I can possibly. Also, please suggest इधर क्या करना चाहिए, because I'm very confused. I'm thinking to get one more bookshelf, but I feel it's going to become too much for this bedroom. Or I'm thinking either to get a cupboard like it was before, but if there's cupboard, then how is he going to study? So if you have any suggestions for the same, then please let me know in the comment section below. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, stay hydrated, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.